go fishing, and I don't have anything to do today. We don't have anything to do today. Do I want to take him? No, not really. But am I going to take him? Yeah, because I know he'd be bored too. No, it's just a regular pre-probiotic. But yeah, but hold on, I'm gonna put a fit on. I ain't even gonna say a fit. I'm just gonna put on like a little, just so I can go fishing in. Don't ask me why I'm yelling at y'all. I don't know. Okay. I want to wear my boots, but they would still be uncomfortable. But I still need to work on breaking them in. Oh. I'm looking for a jacket. That's why I came in here. Take something I don't really care. Okay, we're finna use my sons, my dogs. Dad, I'm finna use my dog's book bag as the book bag. I think it's still cold outside. But y'all, I wanna wear my boots. I'm about to just wear them. I'm not. I'm about to put some of my first stuff in the bag. I don't know. I think I got everything I need. I just need to buy the fishing rod and tackle box. So, still debating if I want to wear my boots. I'm still debating if I want to wear my boots. So I'm gonna go to the Walmart first, and then obviously go to the lake. So yeah. Take this off. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna vlog in the Walmart. I don't know, I'm gonna see when I get there. Yes, I did put my boots on. Cause why not? Might as well keep breaking them in so they can get more and more comfortable. If y'all hear him crying, he don't like car rides. But he don't want to get left alone. And I'm not finna sit in the house, so. Okay, so we have the goods secured. I got this. Well, gloves, because I'm not touching that fish with my bare hands. I'm sorry, I'm not that grown yet. Ooh, I dropped something. I did not get worms because that's a little too much for me right now, but I got these. And the weights, I hope these not too heavy, but this is trial and error. We're just learning as we go. Like I said, it's the first time doing this by myself. Okay, but yeah, the park is like 10 minutes away, so. Okay, so after some extensive driving around, we made it. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff out the car and then get out and then show y'all. Okay, I think I did it right, but it's so many ducks. I don't want to like hit a duck upside the head, but we finna see. y'all, it was a complete fail. Look at this. Trying not to cry. I need something for my knee on. Oh, Jesus. This is why it's important to bring like a chair or something. Oh, this shit is fucked. Hold on, y'all. I finally figured it out. It took me a minute, but it's sorry. I finally have figured it out. I was finna ask for help, but I was like, no, fuck that. Oh, I was like, no, I got it. I don't chew tobacco, I chew seeds, so. No. Y'all, he's so bad. I wish I had one of them things where I could sit it down, but. I think it's stuck. Rub medic did. Yeah, it's stuck on something. Damn it. I think I'm just in a bad spot because my line keeps getting caught. Like, keep getting caught. This is the second one. And I'm glad I bought cheap stuff. I would have been blown. I'm gonna do this one more again. These some good weights. Granted, it was cheap. I guess. Okay. Oof. Jeez. I wasn't getting any luck at the other one. It seemed like nobody was getting luck at that other park. So I left and I'm finna go to another one. I did drop off Milo. He was acting too much of a fool. And I couldn't concentrate on both. So I dropped him off on the way to this park. And I'm probably about another 10 minutes away. So I'll start. I wonder, how did you get there? I'll start recording again when I get there. Okay, I had to pull up to another little spot. Let's hope my stuff don't get cut up this time. So I'm gonna drop my dog off and wait for another part because the other one was kind of not happening, and I was getting annoyed because the ground is like so wet, and I keep forgetting. Yeah, I hope it's not getting caught. Oh shit, he's fishing too. I should go make friends. But it's okay. But if I catch something, I'll come back and show y'all. If I don't, either I'm gonna be at another spot or I'm gonna be in my car going home. I think I'm just gonna get me some food and try. I think I'm just gonna go and get me some food and try again another time at 2 other locations. So yeah, but it was fun, and I got the hook of throwing it out and stuff like that. So yeah, and my phone's dying. Not that I care, but ain't like I'm catching nothing. So I'm not too far from the city. City's like right there. But yeah.